fudgy, chewy, melt-away brownies, just set and barely held together. This recipe requires no more than a spatula and a bowl. Melt a stick of butter in a microwave, about a minute. Melt 2 ounces of chopped dark chocolate in warm butter. If you don't have a scale, refer to product packaging. 2 ounces is about half a bar. I'm using 65% dark. Use any semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate you like. Now add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'm using Valrhona Dutch processed. If your cocoa is not as intense, use a 1/3 cup. Stir until you have a runny chocolate sauce. Now add a cup of sugar, which will cool down the bowl immediately so we can add eggs without scrambling. 1 cup sugar is standard. If you like yours extra fudgy, add a 1/4 cup more. I used to swear by condensed milk and molasses. Then I discovered what really gave me that sticky chewy texture was really the higher sugar content. Turns out the best fudgy brownie really didn't require any special ingredients. Vanilla extract is optional but makes everything better. Go easy on the baking powder unless you want yours cakey. A 1/4 teaspoon will come out looking just dancey enough you don't really see any air pockets. 1/2 teaspoon will have visible small air pockets. I want mine to look like fudge when cut up, so I'm using a 1/4. Now add 1/2 cup of loosely packed flour. Air on the lighter side. The easiest way to improve your brownies is to lower flour ratio. Don't feel compelled to add more because you think that'll give you more quantity. That's exactly my thinking in the past for many years until one day I decided to stop cheap out and accept less but better. This is a budget-conscious channel and even I'm drawing the line. Save money with store-brand sugar, but don't overpack any baked goods with flour. Line an 8-inch pan with parchment paper and spread out the batter. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Let these cool with the oven door cracked if you don't want them to deflate too fast. Air on the underside. Remember how thick the batter was? This batter is mostly butter and chocolate, both of which are solid under room temperature. The only added liquid were the 2 eggs. As long as the top is slightly puffed, you know the center is steaming hot and your eggs are definitely cooked through. These will definitely set once cooled, no matter how gooey this looks while hot. Forget about the toothpick test here. These will cut neater if cooled overnight, but I only have sunlight for another hour for filming, so here we go. Barely set around the edge. These taste like lighter, airy pieces of fudge. Give these a try and you'll refuse to take out the hand mixer for brownies hereafter. Like and subscribe!